In this episode, I'm going to be installing an FMF PowerCore 4 pipe on my X7 Super Pocket bike. The brief history of exhaust pipes that have been on this bike is it started out having a 2-stroke pipe from the previous owner. The expansion chamber on that wasn't too aggressive, so the bike actually ran decent with it on there, despite it being a 4-stroke engine. But I still wanted to get that off there pretty quickly, so after that, for about a day, the X7 was straight piped. But then finally, I installed a Yoshimura exhaust system on it that all of you voted for. Granted, you guys didn't know it was going to be the RS4 Yoshimura. I did get some comments saying it was way too big looking on the bike, and although I pretty much agree with that, the flip side was I love how it made the bike sound. But now finally, I'm going to be putting this to rest and fulfilling the request to install the PowerCore 4 on the bike. So what do you guys think? Do you like how the FMF looks and sounds on the bike, or was the Yoshimura better? And give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a big bore kit install video on this bike. Thanks for watching.